Today I'm going to show you step by step how to make some easy marshmallow frosting for s'mores cupcakes. First, you want to get 4 large egg whites at room temperature. In a bowl, add 1 cup, which is 200 grams of granulated sugar. Next, you'll need a 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar. Then you'll need a pinch of salt and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, which is optional. Next, you'll need to fill a medium to large pot with 1 inch of water and bring to a simmer. In a large heat-proof bowl, I use a glass bowl and a standard mixer. Whisk together the egg whites, sugar, cream of tartar, and the salt. Place the bowl over simmering water on the stove. Make sure that the bottom of the bowl does not touch the water when whisking consistently until the eggs reach 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the bowl from the heat and use the hand or an electric mixer to beat the eggs on high for 5 minutes, or until light and fluffy where the peaks hold their shape. If desired, add the vanilla extract now and beat for another 30 seconds until well mixed. This is what your peaks should look like. They should hold their shape when you stick it upright. Next, grab a Wilton piping bag, or a Ziploc bag works just as good, a B8 tip, a spatula, and a cup. Put your tip inside the bag and cut the end open and place into a cup. This gives you both hands to use when trying to get the marshmallow frosting into the cup. Fill the marshmallow frosting right till the top. I found these little clips from the dollar store, and they're mainly for like bag chips and stuff, but they work really good for holding your frosting in to keep your hands clean. Here's some chocolate cupcakes that I did the night before and just filled in with some buttercream. Make sure when doing the frosting on the top not to add too much, because when you put the chocolate and the crackers in, it will push it out the sides. For this, I use Hershey's Creamy Milk Chocolate and Honey Made wafers. These are really good and sweet together. Very carefully brown with your kitchen torch the marshmallow. This step is optional, but the frosting is quite sticky until it's toasted. Once you've got an evenly golden color all the way around, it's time to add the toppings. And the next, all you gotta do is add your chocolate and you're done. So homemade s'mores cupcakes, enjoy. If you got any leftovers, they make really good sandwiches, but they sure don't last long in our home.